Hello, it's Jason here. Product review for RC Hobbies Norfolk. We've got the hubsan ×4, or whatever others like to call it, and we've got a cheap helicopter from the market which cost me £20, £26.99 at a model air show. I bought this from the Horizon Hobby stall at a model aircraft show. Basically what it comes with is you've got the manual. I read through it. Gave me the basics of the controller layout. How to change the batteries. You always must do it. Like spare parts list you get at the back and everything. How to change the batteries, what mode is, or what mode you can use. If you're a bit more expert, to how to put into expert mode so you can do full 360 flips. What you get is I'm taking a guess, a small LiPo battery pack with it. You charge it off a USB cable and you just plug it in like that, and then plug it straight into your computer, or if you're posh or you have an iPhone, you use the dodgy adapter with them, I call them. You also get spare props. I think I've only changed one out on this one. Switch on it, so after each and every use you have to unplug it. And I normally leave the pack in there. I suggest to take your battery pack out before charging, because you may get a LiPo fire. I'm taking a guess the battery pack's a LiPo. Oh, my camera's a bit wobbly. Controller you get with it. Well, that's my review on the hubsan. Well, the part I'm dreading. This one. It's useless, basically, to me. This is completely useless. I don't see anywhere on the box it specifies range, because this you can fly this 25 meters. It goes out of range. Okay, let's start off with what you get in the box. Basically, what you get: instruction manual, Chinese or Mandarin and English. I do not suggest flying it outdoors if you don't want to lose it like I nearly did. So, what you get in the box, you get the instruction manuals, you get another style USB charger, which you plug in this very little slot here, and then you plug into your computer. I first charged this for about 20 minutes. I didn't know what it needed because the manual didn't specify it for me. So I just went to be safe, as it was a smaller battery pack which was in it. I went for 20 minutes charging time. You seem to get a bit of a flight outfit. You do get spare parts. So just like, see my arm a little bit, right? Probably see what's up my sleeve. You get spare rear rotor blade. You get spare A rotor blades, which is the top one. You get a spare B rotor blade, which is the bottom one. You get this little screwdriver, which I've still not figured out what it's for. I think it's for changing the rotor blades on it. On the... Oh, where did I just read it? I was just looking and I just saw something about metal series or something on it. Oh yeah. 3.5 channel metal series. Yeah. Metal. The gearing. Plastic. Canopy plastic. Blades of plastic. Undercarriage plate is metal. The battery holder is plastic and everything. All the electronics. It's small, same size battery as the Houston. No, the Hubble. That might get it wrong. Fake carbon fiber. One thing which really annoyed me with this is, oh yeah, and you get this heli mat in the box as well. I may just use it as a mouse mat now. Basically, what really annoyed me with this is, except from the range on it, is that you go to do you can hover it, and that's about all you can do with it. You can spin it. You can spin it basically. You can make it hover and spin, but you can't go forwards or back because the rear little prop on it is or the motor for driving it is rubbish, because you try and make it like it doesn't have enough power to make the rear end lift and go forward, or make it go backwards to push it down to make it fly backwards. It doesn't do any of them. It's probably just there to look pretty. That's what I'm saying it does. Oh, I didn't even know you could take the canopy off, but you just take the canopy off and back on by these two little posts here. And if you can see past my blade there, they just clip through the holes on the body. And your on and off switch is that little tiny red dot there. And you've got a rear blue LED light. You've got a front light which should be through a hole there, but it's got stuck inside the body. Basically, you got your on and off switch. Now the top half of the helicopter's flashing red. Now it's gone solid red and then gone back to flashing. So that means you got power. This one is your lights on. Oh no, lights off, lights on. That one's your speed control, according to the instruction manual, which I did bother to read through at one point. Your rear tail blade is controlled by this one. That's your steering. Your little rear motor blade, which doesn't do anything. Your rear little tail motor blade. Your trims. Which basically doesn't do anything for me. Your channels. Oh, your channels. I should turn it off while recording, and it's like about 9:30 at night. Your channel changer. I don't know how to change the channel on the aircraft itself. Let's see if I can hover it. Well, that failed. Gently. I need to readjust the trims. Shit. Well now it's on my floor. It's actually landed itself in a cardboard box, which I've not unpacked from Christmas. Now there's just parts lying everywhere. The instruction manual's there. One rotor blade and the rear tiny rotor blades there. The other rotor blades fell on the floor there. The little plastic clip and screwdriver. I can see the screwdriver, but I can see one of the other clips. Helicopter's in a box. Mats moved. I like how all the Hubbleston is just sitting where I left it. That's just like, yo, it's wind. I can deal with it. Thank you for watching this. This like 20-minute long video. Probably because when I've put my intro and outro on it, it'll be 20 minutes or a little bit longer. Thanks for watching this. This episode is not sponsored by any companies. I've bought these out of my own money. But if any companies want to sponsor and get their products on this channel, feel free to contact me at my email, which will be down in the description. Stay tuned for more, people.